Ciza is back with another that feature Nxumalo, Mthunzi. Yeah, we up now. Ciza, we able to tell her. Yeah, let's go and hear the new song. What we know about Uzi abesengomeni yakho, we know it's gonna kill the song. No need for you need to go and check the song. It's already out. Let's go. Make sure you do subscribe. It's been a long time. Sure, there is no copyrights. The song is still not out yet. Yes, yeah, still not out yet. Sounds good. I think it's approved. I think it's gonna be a hit. Song of the year. Nah, that's a good song that we can use right now. Maybe we could have so born by a song of the year. I don't think to Taylor udlala to song of the year. Nje Abantu bodwa abanye unless ke akaba add kule song afaka into zabo kungamkiwa, you know them. Abadlali, we are out. Make sure you do the right thing. Yeah. Bye bye.